Hello. I don't know why it's hard to clap when you need to clap properly. Yeah. I put my audio equipment back after a weekend or 2 days of listening to all kinds of loudspeakers. And after a week, finally, I thought, I'd put it back. And I'm enjoying it. I'm not gonna talk. Just not. I'm pretty busy with other stuff, but I thought I'll, push out one song or two because I'm enjoying what I hear. Still, there's too much EQ to make these usable. I wonder if they're larger and less curvy, and not like the huge panels here on the side, like less deep. Not sure if that helps. I don't know. Who knows? I might try with the metal I bought, like the separate pieces. Not for now, I mean, I'm busy with other stuff, but still thinking about it.
My days, they are highway kind. They only come to leave. The leaving I don't mind. It's a coming that I crave. Pour the sun upon the ground and stand and throw a shadow. Watch it grow into a night and fill the splendid sky. Time among the pine trees felt like a breath of air. Usually I just walk these streets and tell myself to care. Sometimes I believe me, sometimes I don't hear. Sometimes the shape I'm in won't let me go. I don't know too much for true. My heart knows how to pound. My legs know how to love someone. My voice knows how to sound. And it's a shame if it's not enough. Shame that it is a shame. Follow that circle down. Where would you be? You're the only one I want, and I never heard your name. That's a hope we meet someday. If we don't, it's all the same. I'll meet the ones between us. I'll be thinking about you and all the places I've been and why you were not there. In the morning when I wake and the sun is coming through, oh, you fill my lungs with sweetness and you fill my head with you. Shall I write it in a letter? Shall I try to get it down? Oh, you fill my head with pieces of a song I can't get out. Can I be close to you? Ooh, ooh. Can I be close to you? Ooh, ooh. Can I take you to a moment where the fields are painted gold and the trees are filled with memories of the feelings never told? When the evening pulls the sun down and the day is almost through, oh, the whole world is sleeping, but my world is here. Can I be close to you? 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 Can I be close to you?
Yeah, so I used 12 dB per octave filters, and I like it better. Integration looks or sounds to be a little bit better. Yeah, at 350, which is really low, and it's possible with this kind of volume, maybe a little bit louder even, but I would not like, you know, play a sweep really loud and hope for the best. In this case, the woofer will bottom out earlier than the tweeters, so it's okay for this setup. If you have more woofers, then this crossover frequency might not be high enough. Okay, Stinky! Yeah! Meow! What's up, Poes? So yeah, nothing happening here, because I'm busy with other stuff. CNC has priority, and well, just my work has priority to you know, income and such. And then back to making stuff. People are asking a lot about the planers lately, like the big ones with rubber, etc. And yeah, I can assure you it's hard to find any rubber magnet that is suitable. And I got rubber magnet that is suitable, but shipping is insanely expensive because it's weighty. So to the US or something, it's like 80 euros, while the magnet itself is 100 euros for 50 meters. So that's kind of a waste of money. Yeah. See you around. Bye bye.